Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So welcome friends. Today we will have our next webinar on the technical indicator series. Previously we have already discussed the ADX DMS indicator and the ATR bands indicator. Today we will be discussing the ATR trailing stops indicator, and this indicator is available on all major trading platforms in India currently. So before I start, a short intro of mine. I am Indrajit Mukherjee. I have founded stockmaniacs.net, so you can visit me in my website www.stockmaniacs.net, and I am also an authorized marketing partner of Zerodha. I am also associated with few other broker companies like Upstocks, 5paisa, Fires, etc. So you can join my trading team by opening a trading and demat account with me and get my hot tips app absolutely free of cost. So now let us come to the webinar. So what is ATR trailing stops? So what do we mean by ATR? ATR equal to average true range, and it measures the price volatility. So the primary concept of ATR trailing stops was derived from the ATR indicator, which measure the price volatility. So how much volatile a script is, if you attach the ATR indicator, it can identify how much volatile a script is. So ATR trailing stops is an extension of the ATR indicator, where the basic idea of ATR has been used to create trailing stops. So the basic idea of ATR has been used in this indicator, ATR trailing stops. The indicator is used to protect investing capital and lock in profit on trades. So basically, as the name suggests, ATR trailing stops means it is a trailing stop loss system, and the concept is based on the ATR indicator. So the basic features of ATR trailing stops. ATR trailing stops indicator looks like a line or a dotted line which moves above or below the price. The indicator identifies entry exit points for long and short positions. So if you want to buy or if you want to sell, the indicator will tell you at what time you will enter. In ATR trailing stops, the ATR is true range calculation over a default 21-day period average. So we are calculating a 21-day ATR period, and we are using a multiplier of 3 by default. So I'll show you the ATR trailing stops indicator in live, means how it looks like. So this is the Zerodha Kite platform, India's most favorite trading platform. So I'll show you how you can attach the trailing stop loss indicator. So here is the studies section. So there you will find the ATR trailing stops. So ATR trailing stops you need to attach here. By default the multiplier is 3, and by default the ATR period is 21. You can change, you can play with the default settings, but later on I will show you. And plot type, you can select points or square wave, and there is, you can select the buy stops color, you can select the sell stops color, and there is a high low option. I'll tell you what the options are, and you need to click on done. So the ATR trailing stops will be attached to your chart, Zerodha Kite chart. Now I'll show you what the parameters are. So as I told you, here the default ATR period is 21. So this indicator is calculated on a ATR period of 21, and the trailing stop, to get the trailing stop, that ATR period is multiplied using a multiplier, and default value is 3. Let us keep it default. And plot type, we can change it. If by default it is points, if we select the square wave, you can see a line kind of thing comes. So few people actually likes it, the square wave. I'll change it back to the default. So the default is points. And you can also select the high low. So here I'll tell you what is the necessity of this high low option. What is this high low option? See, by default the ATR trailing stops is a trailing stop loss system. If the price candle closes another side of the ATR trailing stop indicator, the signal will reverse. So by default it will require a close. It will require a close. But if you select the high low option, it will not require the close. If the high or the low breaches that particular time the ATR trailing stops indicator, it will generate a signal. So you can see the signals changes. If I remove this option, you can see I am still on a sell trade. This is a sell trade, this is a buy trade, because whenever price is above the ATR trailing stops, it is in buy position. When the price is below the trailing stops, it is in sell position. So I am seeing that if I select the default option, the close option, price candle need to close above the ATR trailing stops or below the trailing stops to generate a signal. But if I generate the signals on the basis of high low, you can see here the signal changes. The ATR trailing stops has been hit by the high of the candle and the signal changes. So likewise, you can also attach the ATR trailing stops indicator on the Upstox Pro platform. So here also you need to open a chart, and from the studies option you will get ATR trailing stops. Same multiplier is 3, periods are 21, plot types points or square wave. You can select the high low or normal close option. You can select the colors. You need to select the apply. So this is how you can attach the ATR trailing stops indicator on your chart. Now let us come back to the slide. How to trade with the ATR trailing stops? When the indicator is above the price, it signals the trend is down. So I already shown you that in my last example. The indicator was above the price, so it was a downtrend. We were in a sell trade. When the indicator is below the price, it indicates the trend is up. So the indicator is just like super trend indicator to some extent. And it is also a stop and reverse system, so it always keeps you in a trade. So I'll go back to the charts. You can understand it better here. This is a stop and reverse system. This is a buy trade stops out and a sell trade begins. Whenever a buy trade stops out, sell trade begins. Whenever a sell trade stops out, a buy trade begins. Likewise. So actually this is also a cyclic indicator. It tries to identify the cycles of the market. I already shown you few examples of the market cycles in my previous videos. So if you are not aware of the market cycles, how to identify the market cycles, you can watch those videos. So this is also a stop and reverse system, so it always keeps you in a trade. So now, as a stop and reverse system, it is a trend following system. It always goes with a trend. In strong trends, it will give you huge profit, but in sideways market, it can give you few losses. So you need to identify and understand that also. So just like any trend following system, whenever the trend is strong, it will give you huge profit. but some of the profits will be taken back when the market will be sideways. So if you are using this system as just like stop and reverse, you need to stick to the system, because it is not like that you started trading and the market is sideways, so you faced 2-3 losses and you stopped trading, and after that the market became trending and you are seeing that the indicator is performing just like a charm. So you need to stick to the system. This is the basic idea. So there are more trading strategies. Buy the stock when the sell stop loss or the red line is taken off and price close above the red line. I have already shown you. Similarly, one should exit the current buy position once the buy stop loss or green line is taken off. So I'll show you once again on the charts. You can see here a buy trade comes, a sell stop loss hits, buy trade comes, the indicator is below the price, so it is a buy trade. This is the buy signal. When the first candle is above the indicator, then you need to buy and you need to hold till the stop loss gets hit and you are in a sell trade. So you can see in sideways market few losses can come, but whenever the market is trending, just like the current scenario, whenever the market is trending, you will see you will get a big amount of profit. So you can also play with the settings. By default the period is 3, multiplier is 21. You can make it more fast by reducing the multiplier. Suppose I am reducing the multiplier by 50%, so I am making it 1.5, and I can increase the period by 100%. So I will divide the multiplier by 2 and I will multiply the period by 2. So in my case here the period will be 42 and click on done. So you can see it changes the signals fast. So it is a faster version of the signal. So the faster signals can catch the trend early, but on the other hand the faster version can give you whipsaws frequently. So you need to understand that this type of scenario can happen if you change the parameters. So now let me go back to the slide. If you want to trade like a professional trader, you need to understand the ATR trailing stop strategies in details. So in my blog in Stockmaniac site, I have written a detailed strategies on the ATR trailing stops indicator. Do not worry, I'll give you the link in the video description box. So this is how the blog post looks like. So I have given a detailed explanation where to buy, where to sell. There are some advanced strategies have been shown. So if you want to understand the ATR trailing stops better, you need to visit the blog post. So friends, I have already completed the webinar on ATR trailing stops indicator. If you want to know more about the trading strategies, do not forget to subscribe to my channel in YouTube. You can just subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. So before you leave the webinar, just do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So you can also join my trading team. To join me, simply WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID and send it to +91 96743 21856. I'll repeat the WhatsApp number once again. It is +91 96743 21856. So friends, thanks once again for watching this video till end. I wish you loads of luck in the coming days. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.